Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Learn Coding with Jyoti. In today's video, we are going to write our first Java program. I will explain what we require to write Java code. So below are the requirement points we need to fulfill first. The first is install Java. If you want to write Java program, then you should install Java first. And if you don't know how to install Java, then don't worry. I have already uploaded video for Java installation. You can find link in description box. The second requirement point is set path of jdk/bin directory. This directory contains some important executable, so we need to set path of jdk/bin directory. Path is an environment variable used by operating system to locate the executable. The third requirement point is IDE. IDE stands for Integrated Development Environment. You should install IDE for Java program. IDE is a software application that provides comprehensive facilities for software development. In a simple way, we can say we can write and debug program by using IDE. We can also use Notepad++ to write Java program for practice. But it is highly recommended you should install any Java IDE to write a program. There are many IDE available for Java program. I use Eclipse IDE to write Java program. So let's get started. Here I will create one Java project. I will provide name as a day_1. Inside this project, we will create one package. Pack1. It is highly recommended to use package to keep similar classes in respective package. And you can provide any package name. So under this package, I will create one class. And this is our first program, so I'll provide class name as a first class. Eclipse provides us ready-made code snippet, so I will click this checkbox. So it will create main method for me. So this is auto-generated code and I will explain line by line. So first line is a package name and make sure package name should be the first line in your source file. And here we have provided class name as the first class and the access modifier is public. It means we can access this class from anywhere. This class contains one method, that is a main method. And this is the entry point for JVM. If our class doesn't contain main method, then our program will not get executed. So I will explain these parameters like what is a public, what is a static, main or void. Let's see the definition of this main method. So here main method declared as a public. It means we can access this method from anywhere. We have declared this method as a static. Static method we can call without creation an object. And the return type of this method is void. It means we are not returning anything from this method or to caller. And the caller of this method is a JVM. And this is the string array. So this is the argument which we are passing to call this main method. And inside this main method, we will write print statement system.out.println. So this method we will use to print hello world and semicolon. So now our program is ready. So I will execute. And this is the output. So here system is a class. This is a predefined class which is available in JDK package. And out is a variable of type output stream. And println, this is the method to print any statement. So our statement is hello world. So in this way we have written our first program. I hope you clear with the program. If you have any doubt, please let me know in comment section. And let's meet in next video. Thanks for watching.